How to turn off seen on Instagram DMs. So basically what this means is you'll be able to see when something was read, or someone would be able to see if you were to read something in your Instagram DMs. To turn that off, it's very simple. So the first thing we could do is go to your Instagram, go to your messages, and go ahead and pick a specific person that you want to turn these off. So in a specific person, you want to go ahead and click at the very top of the conversation, and you'll bring into certain settings. What you want to do is go to your privacy and safety, and you want to turn off those read receipts. What this is going to do is others can see when you've read their messages, and you can turn that off. But if you want to do this across the board for all of your friends on Instagram or just all of your DMs, what you can do is come out of here and go to your profile at the bottom right hand corner, and then go to the three lines at the top right corner, and then go until you find under how others can interact with you. You want to go to the messages and story replies, and then under where it says who can see you're online, go to show read receipts, and you can go ahead and turn this off, and that will shut it down for all of your messages going forward so that people cannot see if you've read their messages.